I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and placement so the unit works reliably. Plug in the USB or insert fresh batteries because unstable power makes flicker. Place the projector on a stable surface roughly 5 to 2 meters from your wall or ceiling so the image fills the area you want. This controls size and sharpness. Once done, switch off bright room lights to inspect contrast and color. Do a quick button press to wake the lamp and verify the basic projection. You now refine the picture and select effects, which is where the projector becomes personalized. Rotate the focus, ring or slide the lens until stars and nebulae are sharp. Small distance changes fine-tune clarity. Then cycle through color modes, rotation, and brightness, because rotation adds motion while static keeps a calm scene. Make sure to use the remote or onboard controls to set a sleep timer or auto-off. These prevent battery drain and keep the device safe when you fall asleep. You finish by locking position and running a short test so problems show up now instead of later. Tighten any tilt or clamp, then run the projector for 10 to 15 minutes to check for overheating, color shift, or noise. If the image is dim or flickers, make sure the cable is seated, battery contacts are clean, and vents are clear. Dust reduces output. If the unit is unresponsive, reset to factory settings and, if needed, consult the manual for model-specific error codes before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.